Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Here we have the Volvo XC60 on a 22 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. I'm going to start off inside the boot area first. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you can then see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, which can be increased by folding down those rear seats should you wish to do so. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We then have a digital readout for that speedometer. Over on the right-hand side, we have the rev counter. Within that, it will show you what gear this vehicle is in. In the center, we have satellite navigation displayed. You can change that information. You can also get your trip computer up, which shows the total miles for this car. They are 38,828 at the time of recording this video, of course. All of that was done with the buttons over here. We have our voice activation for our phone there as well. We have cruise control on the left-hand side, and into the center, the main touch screen for the vehicle. So really nice large screen. As you can see, one physical button which brings you back to this menu. You can also swipe across from these menus as well should you wish to, and of course access them by tapping on there. So you have your Google Maps, as you can see, really nice clear color display. You can come back out to your main screen where you can access your audio menu. From in here, you'll be able to put on your FM, AM, DAB radio. You can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio once you've paired up your phone. And speaking of phone, you've got Apple CarPlay available on here, as you can see. Down the very bottom is the climate control menu. So if you tap this button, we can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can adjust the fan speed on here as well. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed once it enters the car. Air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again, you can recirculate the air that's in the car. We've got our heated front and rear electric screens up there as well. Down the very bottom, we have first of all your heated passenger seat with 3 different heat settings. We have a heated driver seat, again with 3 different heat settings, and a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat settings as well. And then along the bottom, you can see there's a camera icon. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, that will open up the parking camera, as you can see. Or you can tap on that icon to do so for you. Working our way down, we have the volume control for your stereo and some physical stereo controls, as well as your heated rear screen down the bottom here. We have a 12-volt charging socket, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, 2 keys for the car, as you can see here. You've got wireless phone charging that you can use that pad for if your phone, of course, supports that feature. 2 cup holders, electronic handbrake with an auto hold function, and that is how you switch the engine off and then back on again. You just need to make sure that one of the 2 keys is in the car with you. The last thing I wanted to show you is the panoramic glass roof. So there's a slider up here. If you slide your finger backwards, this will open all the way to the back of the rear seats, and of course sliding it forwards will do the reverse of this. You can leave it like that, and as you can see, that lets in a huge amount of extra light to this cabin area, or if you wish to, you can push upwards rather than sliding, and it will open the sunroof section for you as well. The last thing I want to talk about is the paperwork we have for the car. So you can see the V5 registration document showing that it's a one-owner car from new. And then we have the service book as well. So the pre-delivery inspection done in 2022 with services in 23, 24 and 25, all at the same Volvo main dealer, as you can see. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you, sir.